Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a chocolate bar from cocoa powder. First, gather your essential ingredients: good quality cocoa powder, cocoa butter, and a sweetener like powdered sugar. You'll also need a double boiler, a whisk, and a chocolate mold. Make sure all your equipment is perfectly clean and completely dry before you begin, as any moisture can ruin your chocolate. This preparation ensures a smooth process. Next, set up your double boiler. Gently melt about 100 grams of cocoa butter over low heat, ensuring it doesn't get too hot. Once melted, gradually whisk in 50 grams of high-quality cocoa powder and 50 grams of finely powdered sugar. Stir this mixture continuously until it's completely smooth and lump-free. This step is crucial for achieving a consistent texture in your finished chocolate bar. Now it's time to temper your chocolate. This involves carefully cooling the mixture to a specific temperature, then reheating it slightly. Tempering is essential for giving your chocolate that beautiful glossy finish and a satisfying crisp snap when you break it. After tempering, you can add flavorings. A few drops of vanilla extract or a tiny pinch of sea salt can really enhance the taste. Mix them in thoroughly. Finally, carefully pour your perfectly tempered chocolate into your chosen mold. Gently tap the mold on your counter a few times to release any air bubbles, ensuring a smooth surface. Place the mold in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, or until the chocolate is completely firm and easily releases from the mold. Once set, your homemade chocolate bar is ready to enjoy. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.